extrajudicial action. And Kenyans have taken notice of such statements that probably they feel well police extrajudicial action and the use of excessive force, because if you tell people will crush you, the police will crush you, that's what it will entail. As you see now, there's a new awakening in this country about what public officers are saying. How different will you be as you, if we approve you? Secondly, you are also the civilian face among the police and the security organs that we have. But as you took up this job, probably, Professor Kindiki, you became more of them, more of a police officer, not a civilian within. You are donning police uniform, you are all over police choppers, and you behaved like a police officer, which probably took you away from the police direction that you're supposed to give the forces, and became more of an operational leader instead of a policy director in the force. How will you be different on this? And probably lastly, you are more in the sky than on earth. When you want to give policy direction, you want to give guiding, you need to be in office, have meetings, boardrooms, and give policy direction. But you have said you actually went to Lamu 21 days, 21 times in 21 months. And probably in the operation field more than where you are required to give, operational or to give policy guidance and direction. And that's why the police force and the administration, national government administration, is not properly coordinated. How different will you be as when we approve you as CS? Thank you.
Professor?
Mr. Speaker, thank you. I've been asked to say whether I'll change my language. Mr. Speaker, I need to clarify that it is true